Agent with the diff delete.
Drop the diff because we broke it in half.
Para que lo baje le enseño. Está impuesto el diff delete.
Así no es, mico.
Ya ponieron.
¿Han visto el cuerpo de una ballena?
¿Cómo acá? ¿Qué están haciendo?
¿Eh?
Turkey setter going on? You got him, pa?
I got him, G.
Agárralo como si fuera un bebé, güey. ¿Eh?
¿Cómo va? ¿Así?
Don't drop the baby.
So you're not going to put the gasket right now?
Nah.
No.
Just gonna mop the middle part.
Was good.
Was good. Cut mayor. ¿Tienes el What's next? What's next?
Wrapping, G.
You're rapping now?
Yeah.
We got done putting the hot side in. We put in the stock driver header because the other one was back order, the one on 3. And we connected the oil line already. We wrapped all the tubing. Now I'm just relocating the transmission oil cooler. I'm gonna put it behind this bracket so I can put the intercooler in the front. We're gonna run our piping through the sides and mount the intercooler. I guess it should mount somewhere down here at the bottom. Yeah, the hot side is basically done. I just gotta do the oil return line. I'm gonna do it in the front valve cover. The only thing that's hitting is the, it's not hitting that much, but it's hitting some more. I don't know if you can see it in the video. The AC line, this big one right here. And the issue we ran into was the brake line. It's hitting too. We're gonna have to bring a little bit down. It's hitting from right about there. You guys could see that there. Everything in the bottom went pretty well. Everything is wrapped. Todo de abajo está wrapped ya. Just gonna connect that other pipe right here for the exhaust. But there's a little bit of space, so I'm pretty sure that clamp's gonna hit right there. I have to move it around a little. And then this is how everything looks like you rated O2. And we put a block little spacer so we could get our oil feed. We ordered it on eBay. It looks pretty good. We dropped the differential because it was cracked in half. We fucked it up last time we went to 2019. So we'll put it back later on when we're done with the turbo. We're gonna put the oil return like between, like right here. We're gonna weld like the little tube coming out to like right here so we don't hit the belts. And just run it like right there. This one just running like right here. That's it. And make this one longer because if you can see it's just like right here. Relocated the tranny intercooler. Put it behind the bracket because I'm gonna put the intercooler in the front. And yeah, I should be putting in the cold side today. Get these custom brackets on it. I put some zip ties to hold it, but it has screws on the back. So we're good. It won't go nowhere. Yeah. Everything looking good. Pretty much gonna have to cut these brackets down there. So this thing could go a little bit lower. It's too high. I will cut! So you'll return, you put a fitting right here, so it's sticking out, not in any other pulleys. So the cold side is almost done. We're just missing one coupler. That's the 90-degree coupler that goes on this side. We had to buy all these couplers, but they didn't have the 90 degrees, so I had to order it. And we're just waiting on it. And the mounting brackets, we put them down here on this bracket that goes from this side to this side. And we cut the little hinges that it had here because the intercooler wasn't fitting in here. But it's pretty solid. Honestly, I don't even think it needs the top brackets because it's not going nowhere. And yeah, the whole cold side is done. There's the air match flow sensor. We put it over here. We welded it onto the cold side. And we just ran the harness over here. Just gotta cover all these wires. And waiting on the cash cans, the turbo blanket, and the filter for the turbo. But everything's on there now. We also wrapped the wastegate pipe that goes down. We made it a little bit longer. Now it actually goes down all the way to the bottom. So we won't be burning anything up. And the brake bracket, we also moved it a little bit lower. Nothing's hitting no more. Everything pretty much clears. We also ordered the wideband sensor. We should be finishing it up this weekend. Taking it to get tuned. All I need to look is for the differential. That's the only thing I haven't found. Pretty solid. And finish the exhaust. I'm gonna buy just a muffler, probably a 3-inch, and just a drop down. That way I drop it down to the bottom for now. But yeah. It barely clears the AC lines. And the damn freaking spark plug wires are freaking hitting over here, but they have a little cover for heat, so hopefully they don't burn through. Yeah, that's pretty much it.